10 essential questions answered for your Philippine adventure. Traveling to the Philippines, 10 questions you didn't know to ask. Ten questions about traveling to the Philippines. Let's begin. One question. What is the official language of the Philippines? Answer: Filipino, based on Tagalog and English. You'll need to know these languages to ask for directions and to impress locals. Just don't ask for a Filipino coffee. They might offer you a Kapeng Barako instead, which is a local brew that will wake you up faster than a surprise karaoke session. Two question. How many islands make up the Philippines? Answer: over 7,000 islands. That's right. You could island hop for years and still not see them all. So, if you're ever lost, just remember, you might be on an island that hasn't even made it onto Google Maps yet. Three question. What is the currency used in the Philippines? Answer: Philippine peso, PHP. Make sure to change your money or you might end up trying to pay for your meal with Monopoly money. They might think you're just really committed to a themed dinner. Four question. What is a popular local dish you must try? Answer: adobo. This savory dish is so beloved, it could probably run for mayor. Just remember, if someone offers to cook it for you, saying no thanks is not an option, unless you want to risk a lifelong feud over dinner. Five question. What is the best time of year to visit the Philippines? Answer: November to April. This is when the weather is cooler and drier. Show up any other time and you might find yourself swimming through a tropical downpour instead of lounging on the beach. Talk about a wet blanket on your vacation plans. 6. Question. What is the name of the famous rice terraces in the Philippines? Answer. Banawe Rice Terraces. Often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, these terraces are so stunning that even your Instagram feed will thank you. Just make sure to tag it right so people don't think you're just really good at Photoshop. Seven. Question. Which animal is considered a national symbol of the Philippines? Answer. The Philippine eagle. This majestic bird is known as the monkey-eating eagle, which sounds like a superhero with a weird diet. Just don't expect it to swoop down and grab your lunch. It has standards. Eight. Question. What is the traditional Filipino greeting? Answer. Kamusta? It means, how are you? And is a great way to kick off a conversation. Just make sure to listen to the answer. You might find out more about someone's day than you bargained for, like a soap opera in real life. Nine. Question. What is a common mode of transportation in the Philippines? Answer. Jeepney. These colorful vehicles are the ultimate Filipino experience. Riding one might feel like being on a roller coaster, except there's no safety bar and the only thing holding you in is your sense of adventure. Ten. Question. What is the legal drinking age in the Philippines? Answer. 18 years old. So, if you're 17 and thinking of partying, you'll have to wait just a little longer. But don't worry, in the meantime, you can practice your karaoke skills. It's a national pastime and you'll need them when the time comes. And there you have it, your ultimate guide, 10 questions about exploring the Philippines. Enjoy your travels and shopping adventures in the Philippines. Remember, humor and relaxation are key ingredients for a great trip.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.